I wanna hear you say that you only want me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my current favorites. I have shared a favorites video in the past a few months ago and y'all really loved that. So I figured I would go ahead and share a few more of my favorites that I'm loving right now. Now I do have a giveaway for you guys and I'd love getting you guys coupon codes and discount codes. So I do have a few of those as well for some of my products that I've been loving. So let's go ahead and get on into it. All right, so the first product that I have been loving lately is this Superfood Powder. And let's see, it is from Country Farms. I get this on Amazon and I've been using this for a long time. Well, I was using the greens powder, but I recently found the Superfood powder and I've been loving it. We've been adding it into our smoothies, into our juices, just anytime we have like some kind of liquid like that, I will just add this in. You can also just mix it with water, but it makes it taste so good and you're getting a ton of stuff in it. Like this has beetroots, grape skin, cranberry, grapefruit, tons and tons of good stuff in here. It's not too pricey, but it is on Amazon and you just use a small amount, so this will last you a really long time. So I will go ahead and link this down below if you guys are interested in checking it out, as well as any of the other products I have. I will try and link them if I can. And yeah, this is just a really good one. I really love it. And my kids always ask for this to be put into the smoothies. They always call it like a berry, like a green berry smoothie. We'll put a bunch of spinach in there and bananas and like mixed fruit. And then they'll ask for this stuff and then they call it a berry smoothie. So it is so good. So the next thing that I've been loving is actually something that I've been using for years, and I've shared this over on Instagram with you guys. So if you follow me over there, you might remember me sharing this, but it's actually just a business card stand. And I just get this from the Dollar Tree. So it seems, you know, pretty basic, pretty simple. But the thing that I use this for actually is just to prop my phone on. It fits perfectly. And then if I'm sitting there, if I'm sitting there doing dishes, or if I'm in the bathroom like putting my makeup on, you can just prop your phone up, watch a video or watch Netflix or whatever you're doing. You can even FaceTime with people. It's just a perfect way to hold your phone hands-free. So head over to your Dollar Tree and go check this out. I mean, it's only $1 and it really comes in handy. I have a couple of them, like in one in my kitchen and one in my bathroom. I'm thinking about putting one maybe even in the computer room or in like my office. They are just so handy. So the next thing I've been loving is my personal planner. I actually just made a new one with them because the one that I had made before, with YouTube getting so busy, I'm just going to have like a work planner and then just a personal planner. And so I actually got the chance to make a new one. But I will go ahead and link the video up here for you guys if you're interested in looking into these guys. They have amazing planners. You can seriously customize everything. Like I have a picture of my 3 boys on here, and then on the back I have some more stuff, and I just used PicMonkey.com to customize it and just like make my own little picture. And then you can customize like when you want it to start, so you're not just starting it in the middle of the year and you're not able to use it for a few months, or you've lost a few months. You're really able to customize everything. You can add like your to-do list on the bottom. You can add like meal plans, whatever you want. You just totally can customize it. Like I said, I will link that video for you guys so you can really check them out. But this is actually the product that I have, or one of the products that I have a discount code for you guys on. So I will leave that discount code for you up here. It will be valid until I believe August 30th. And I actually have a giveaway for this planner. So you won't be getting this specific one because this is one that I customized myself, but you will actually be emailed a gift card where you're able to go onto their site and make whatever size planner you want, customize it however you want, add whatever you want into it. And it is just so awesome because whenever you get planners from the store, you're not really able to customize anything. It just is what it is. And you can, you know, kind of add some things to it with stickers and the way you write in it and stuff, but it's not really customized when you get it. And so this is really awesome because you are just able to completely customize it exactly how you want it, and the layout you want and the format and everything. So I really love this. I have been using my planner that I got a few months ago like crazy. So I'm really excited to have this one where I can have more of our personal life stuff in here, and then my other one can just be more for work and YouTube and things like that. But as I said, I do have a giveaway for this planner. I know a lot of you guys have been kind of bummed out when I don't have a giveaway that is international. So this one is for you guys. It is for everybody. They will ship worldwide. So I will leave all of the information on how to enter the giveaway in the description box below. So go check that out and make sure you enter to win because this planner is amazing. So the next thing that I have been loving is this Migraine Soothe stick. And it's actually like a headache stick. So I'll go ahead and take it out and show you what it is. but it's just this little tiny like roller ball basically. And anytime you have a headache, it just has like peppermint oil and all different kinds of oils, some lavender and peppermint mostly. It smells so good. And what you do when you have headaches is you just rub it like on your temples, and it really helps relieve the pain of your headaches. I have tried, I'm not really big into taking medicine if I can help it. And so I will take medicine when I do get headaches and migraines occasionally, but usually it doesn't even really help me. And this has really been like the one thing that will always help me. It doesn't always take it completely away, but it will always take a lot of it away. So I have been using this stuff since maybe like around when Luke was born for a really, really long time. So I will leave a link to this one. It is a lifesaver. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love essential oils. I diffuse them every single day. I use them in my laundry. I use them when I mop. I just use them all the time. And I always get questions from you guys like what types of oils I use and what my favorite ones are. So I figured I would go ahead and share that with you today as well. If you've been watching me, again, you probably know that I do use Simply Earth oils. I used to use other brands, but they were kind of expensive. And then I've also gone into getting like Amazon, like ones that you get from Amazon. And I felt like the quality just was not there. The price was pretty good, but the quality wasn't there. And so whenever I came across Simply Earth, I was just in love. They've had the same kind of quality that I found from like doTERRA and the big guys, but they did not have the huge price point because they kind of cut out the middleman. So the first oil that I really love is grapefruit. This is one of my absolute favorite oils. I have been using this scent for maybe a year or really close to a year, if not. I put this on my sink all the time. It smells so, so good. If you like fruity oils, you should try out grapefruit. It's just so bright and vibrant. It smells so good. The next oil that I have been loving is this basil oil. And I was pretty surprised to love this oil because whenever I found out I was getting a basil oil in one of my Simply Earth recipe boxes a few months ago, I was, interested. I'm always interested in new oils, but I did not think that basil sounded like it would smell so good. But I mean, I got it a few months ago and I probably have like half the bottle left because I have been diffusing it every single day in my bedroom. It just smells so good. I don't even know how to explain it. It smells so good. And it also has a lot of really good properties. It has like a really good focusing property and calming. So I feel like it's a really good oil to diffuse in your bedroom as well. And honestly, it was pretty hard to narrow down which oil is my favorite because I have a lot of favorites, but the peppermint had to be in the list. I feel like peppermint is just so like awakening, and it just awakens your senses. It just awakens your senses and it smells so good. It's a pretty strong oil, so if you want something, not so strong, then peppermint might not be for you. But I love diffusing peppermint, and in the summer, I've been diffusing peppermint and lime like daily in my living room. It smells so, so good. So I will leave a link to Simply Earth down below. You can order their box, which I usually get every month, or you can also just order them individually. They have awesome, awesome deals on their oils. A lot of their oils are like between $8 to $10. And to go along with the oils, this is the new diffuser I got recently. I have been loving it. It's a little bit smaller than the one that I have in our living room. So the one in our living room is about a 400 milliliter and this one is 300 milliliter. But all you do is you just take like the decorative top off, and then you take this part off, and then you just put the oils inside here. And I get a lot of questions on how to diffuse oils. And if you haven't done that before, all you do, if you have a good quality oil, you will just put in maybe like 3 or 4 drops, and then you just fill the rest all the way up with water, and then put the top on, and then you just turn it on and it is like good to go. I really like the full-size diffusers, like 300 to 500 milliliters, because they will run like 8 to 12 hours, which is really, really nice. And you can also just have them run for a little while, so you can not have to fill them up every single day if you don't want. I just love them running all day long, so I will fill them up and just let them go until they run out. But I love, 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 love these diffusers. And I do have a coupon code for you guys for this specific diffuser. I have 40% off for you guys, so that makes it, I think, about $14 on Amazon. It is a really good deal, especially if you are wanting an extra diffuser in your house, or if you're just starting out and you're just wanting to try them out to see if you like them. You will not find a good diffuser for like 14 bucks. That is unreal. So definitely check that one out if you have not already. I know I shared it in a video before, but I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know again because that is just an amazing deal. So the next thing that I've been loving is actually an item that I found pretty recently for my friend from the Wife Style. And it is these pore strips. I got like the cheap version. I don't remember which one she got, but it's basically like the Biore pore strips. And so you just put them on your nose, and I was like grossed out and amazed by how well they worked. So I probably use these maybe once a week. I've even got my husband to use them sometimes, but they work really good and it just makes you feel good. It only takes like 10 minutes to put them on and then take them off and just see like how much it's cleared up your nose or any like problem areas you have. So these I just got from Target. They are really inexpensive. I haven't actually tried like the name brand, the Biore ones, just because when I see like a name brand versus a store product, a lot of times I'll try the store product to see if I can save a couple bucks if it works as good. And these ones have been working good, so I haven't needed to try that, but I just got these from Target, so I'll see if I can link them down below. Otherwise, they are just in the skincare section and they are amazing. So the next thing that I've been loving is EClass. I didn't feel like I could do a favorites video without mentioning these because if you watch my cleaning videos, you know that I use these in every single video basically. And these ones are the glass and polishing cloths. So these are what I use on our windows, on our mirrors, on stainless steel appliances, especially. You will just only have to use water and then wipe it off with these cloths and it will leave 0 streaks. It is like a magic product. It's amazing. I love it. I use them all the time. If you go on their website, I will link it down below. I think they're still having a good deal where you can get basically 2 for the price of 1. So you can get 2 cloths for like $8. It's a crazy good deal. They are even cheaper than I've seen them on Grove and Amazon or at like Ace Hardware. If you don't want to buy them online, I think Ace Hardware has them. But these ones are my favorite. I also like the all-purpose cloth. I've tried the kitchen cloth. They just have a ton of different ones. So I'm kind of like working my way through their system and seeing which cloths work for me. But so far I have not been disappointed with anything. So definitely check out EClass, especially if you're only gonna try one. Try the glass and polishing cloth. It's amazing. Okay, so the last product that I have been loving are these leggings. If any of you have heard of LuLaRoe, I'm sure most of you have. They have like the most soft, amazing, comfortable leggings I have ever tried on. And a lot of my leggings are LuLaRoe leggings, but they are pretty pricey and it's really hard to find like a good, just solid black pair because they have all these crazy prints. But I found these ones on Amazon. They are half the price. They're about $12 or $13, I can't remember which. And they feel and fit exactly like LuLaRoe leggings. I believe they are the Lush Moda brand. So I will leave these linked down below. They have 2 sizes and I think they're the same as LuLaRoe. I'm pretty sure, just from my experience, that these are actually made by the same manufacturer that manufactures LuLaRoe leggings. They feel so soft and they feel exactly the same. And they have that really nice they have the really nice like yoga waistband. And so it's not going to like cut you or anything or be like, you know, really tight in your midsection. And they are long, they are stretchy, and they are so soft. So I have just been loving these. A lot of my leggings I got several years ago, and I get questions from you guys all the time about like where I get my leggings from. I know as moms, leggings are life, leggings are amazing. So I get a lot of questions from you guys about where I do get my leggings, and some of them have been LuLaRoe, and I love those ones, but I don't have like a crazy amount, and so I've been needing to kind of get new ones, especially now that they are getting like several years old. They are starting to kind of show their age and show their wear. And so I was so excited to find these. So I will link these down below for you guys if you want an amazing pair of leggings, or if you have had LuLaRoe leggings and you just want a bunch of like black leggings, go try these out. They are amazing. I love them. So those are all the things that I have been loving lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go check out all the links down below. I will try and link basically everything that I can find online for you guys. And otherwise, I kind of mentioned like the Dollar Tree thing is the only thing I think I didn't get online, just the little business card holder, and that's obviously at the Dollar Tree, so you can go check that one out. And then also do not forget to go check out in the description box the ways that you can enter in to win the personal planner. All you have to do is basically just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because of course it is a subscriber giveaway, and then also go follow personal planner either over on Instagram or on Facebook. So either one of those will do, but I will have all of that information down below. But as I said, I will have all that information down below, and the giveaway will end in 1 week, and I will have a few extra ways that you can get bonus entries as well. So good luck to everyone. I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if there were any products that I mentioned today that you love, that you've already tried, let me know in the comments down below. I always love talking to you guys and getting your guys' feedback. And if there was anything that I did not mention that you have been loving lately, let me know as well, because I am always trying to find new things that are amazing, that make life easier. So let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already. And also head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. I do share a lot of things that I don't actually share on YouTube, that I don't have time to make actual videos for, and just more personal things like with my family and my life. So be sure to go follow me over there, and I will see you guys in my next one.